In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PDF file on your mobile phone. We'll walk through a simple, clear process that you can follow on almost any modern smartphone, whether you're using Android or iOS. By the end, you'll know how to turn photos, documents, or notes into a clean, shareable PDF directly from your device, without needing a computer. First, unlock your phone and make sure you're connected to the internet. While some phones can create PDFs offline, it's best to be online in case your device needs to download or update any built-in tools. Also, check that you have enough storage space for saving a new file, especially if you're working with multiple pages or high-quality images. Next, open the app that contains the content you want to convert into a PDF. This might be your Gallery or Photos app if you're using pictures, your Files or Documents app if you already have a document, or even a Notes or Scanner app if you're starting from handwritten notes or printed pages. Many devices now include a built-in scanner inside the Camera or Notes app, which is perfect for capturing physical documents. Once your content is open, look for the Sharing or Options menu. This is usually represented by 3 dots, 3 lines, or a share icon. Tap that and carefully scroll through the available actions. On many phones, you'll see options like Print, Save as PDF, or Export as PDF. If you see Print, don't worry, you're not actually printing anything. Tap it, and on the Print Preview screen, choose Save as PDF, or a similar option as your printer or destination. Now, adjust any settings if they're available. You might be able to choose page size, orientation, color, or black and white, and which pages to include. Take a moment to review the preview. This helps you catch any cut-off text or sideways images before you save. When you're ready, tap the button to save or export. Your phone will then ask where you want to store the new PDF. Choose a clear, easy-to-remember folder, and give your file a descriptive name, like Meeting Notes June, instead of something generic. This makes it much easier to find later. Finally, open your File Manager or PDF Reader app and locate the new PDF to make sure it looks correct. From there, you can share it by email, messaging apps, or upload it to cloud storage. That's all you need to create a PDF file right from your mobile device.